Scott from Sound of Tri-State Kirkwood Highway location. We're here to do the unboxing of the Escort Redline Ci 360C. CI on the Redline stands for custom install, and the C on it stands for connected, which means it does have Wi-Fi connectivity. So inside the box, you will find all of your warranty information, quick startup guide. They do a very good job of packaging their products. So there's going to be 3 boxes inside. They're divided up kind of by category as to what they are. So inside the first box, you will have your radar shifters. So new for the 360, they have made them significantly smaller than years past. The other is they also give you the ability with the bridge box to connect up to 6. The unit comes with 5. So 3 are usually designated for the front and 2 are designated for the rear, so that you have front and rear laser protection. The bridge box does give you the capability of adding up to 6. So the reason for the additional sensors is one is the size of the vehicle. So depending on the size of the vehicle, you want to be able to cover the whole front of it. The other is some radar guns, they focus in on just the sensor, so you want to make sure that the entire front of the vehicle is covered. So that's what's inside the first box. So inside the first box is your five laser shifters and all of the wires that are needed to install it. So it also comes with the bridge box, your warranty information, along with your quick startup guide. Inside your second box is the main parts of it, which is your GPS antenna. That's how you're going to be able to detect where your red light cameras are, things of that nature. Your display, so it is an OLED display, so it can be viewed, direct sunlight at all angles. And then you also have your control buttons, which is where you will turn your volume up and down, adjust your sensitivity, power it on and off. You can also mute it if you receive the radar indication and you can view it and you just want to mute it. The last thing in there is your main control box, into which during the installation everything is going to be plugged into. This is something that will not be seen in the vehicle. The other 3 items will be seen in the vehicle. So you will see the GPS antenna, you will see the control panel, and you will see the display. And then the third and final box will have our actual radar sensors in it. So new this year also with the 360 is the front and rear radar sensors are the same. So in previous models, the rear radar was not as advanced as the front, but now, as you can see, both of your radar sensors are exactly the same. So one is for your front and one is for your rear. So you have your laser shifters, which will detect your laser, and then you have your radar, which will detect your radar. So these will not be visible on the front of the vehicle. These can see through plastic and will not be visible. The other items in the box, just like I had said, they do a very good job of keeping everything together. It's just the cabling and mounts to mount your radar sensors. So that's what's included in the Escort 360 CI. Hope you enjoyed watching, and so now let's go. We're going to go install this today in a 2023 Porsche Cayenne Turbo. So we'll get you some pictures and let you know how it turns out.